Hello, happy Sunday. This is a lovely and cloudy Sunday evening. Of course, monsoon is going on, but there are only clouds. Monsoon rainfall is too much bad this season. It was unusually very late, and rainfall is also very less comparing to the normal monsoons. I am just capturing the evening view, and the land on the right side is too much grown up and it need to be cleared out. It was nothing special about this day, but I was just walking around and captured some random shots. This is the land with our ancestral home on the right side, you see, and that place also have too much wild glass grown up. It is very windy today, and as I said, rain is too much less for this season. Mom was making arrangement for her dinner, and as usual, we are preparing to lightening the diyas as usual in all Kerala homes. So she is lighting the lamps, and I am preparing for my sort of Sunday dinner. And this is all for today. Bye.